Are o thiko igiri tu itigarite mbere ya arutwo a kirathi gia kanana kwambiriria igeranio cia KCPE riu ni kuhithukite ati kuri thukuru cia andu kiumbe citandikithirie arutwo a kirathi gia kanana gwika igeranio mwaka uyu. Ona kuhanora uguo Minista wa Githomo George Magoha augite arutwo aya no megwika kigeranio riri uthuthuria wambikitwo ekwirwo makirutirwo mukana wa gutacukiria ikinya rihiu ria kiwatho.
We are not going to allow our children to suffer because of a few crooks. So our very firm instructions are that as the multi-agencies investigate those teachers and proprietors, the children must take examinations under protest. They must be allowed to take examinations. And we shall deal with the results afterwards.
Maya mokite riri arutwo thukuru-ini ngurani matinda makirikiriria mehariria mbere ya igeranio ici kwambiriria muthi wa mwambiririo kiumia giukite.
The government is fully prepared. It is all systems go. We have a multi-agency system that is already on the ground. The exams are in the distribution centers as we move.
Thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Blessed School county-ini ya Narok o niguo maundu matinda na kuringana na arugamiriri wa thukuru uyu arutwo ni maharirikite kuigana.
Last year we were the best actually in the county, and this year, as my candidate spoke here, they are record breakers. So we are anticipating that they are going to break the record of 381 that the previous year set. Actually, their target this year is 400.
LC Jabi ni umwe wa arutwo aria maraikarira kigeranio giki thukuru-ini uyu na ari na mwihoko ati ona thengia ya moritũ kĩondorita maria arutwo matunganite namo mwaka uyu no akandikithia maumirira mega.
Our teachers even covered the syllabus very early this year, and that's why we are anticipating for good results in our Kenya National Examination Test.
As you can see, we are fully prepared. We have been working hard, and as the wise say, hard work never goes unrewarded.
Na otaguo arutwo thukuru-ini wa muthingi njera-ini nene ya Athi River ni maharirikite kuigana arutani makiuga moritũ ma kĩng'ũki gĩa corona matikũgirĩrĩria arutwo aya gũkandĩkithia maumirĩra mega.
We have registered 185 candidates who are ready to start for the exams this coming Monday, and we do not expect any challenge whatsoever.
And our children are well prepared with the support of our well-labeled staff. We believe all is well.
Thirikari ona kuhanora uguo ni ĩtĩtĩrithitie mukana kuri arutwo arutani na maabitha a githomo aria matanyite gugakungia wara hindi ya igeranio ici.
Homa Bay has joined in the group that are planning to interfere with examinations. And I want to warn them, those officers in Homa Bay, both in the schools and outside schools, that we are watching very closely what you are trying to do. You are tempted, and we shall come onto you like a ton of bricks.
Ihinda-inĩ riu muingi ndugukorwo gĩtĩkĩrio kuingira thukuru-ini hatari gitumi niguo kuhe kanya arutwo mweke mwega wa gwika igeranio riri mitaratara ya kuhitana na kĩng'ũki gĩa corona ithingatithĩtio thukuru-ini ciothe. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Ngina Wawaduro.